Hey, I'm Chris with Carryon Mobility Solutions. I got Sandra in here. Now I try to do videos of people that have this unit. She has this unit. She also has a Golden Eagle. Might have saw her in a couple videos we have. Know where to go, right?
Yeah, right around here. Let's just for fun see how fast.
Well, be careful. Still be careful.
I will.
She bought this because the Eagle's big. She has 500 acres, about an hour from where we are, and she uses it outdoors. The Eagle. Now, This is the Golden Gb120. She came back because her friend wanted the Golden Eagle, and he bought one.
Yeah.
And then she was in here and she needed something more portable. So she bought this. So far, how has this been?
Oh, it's been great. We keep it in the car. That's where it stays. If push really come and I can pick this up and pull it out over the back of the car. And everything's there together.
And so you take this shopping, I guess?
Oh yeah, this is my shopping cart.
And you're able to get around in the shopping areas and do whatever you need to do?
I haven't gone to a store yet I couldn't use it in. And it's easy to get in and out the bank if you need to do that. It's easy to get in and out restaurants and get close up to the table.
Okay.
And the only thing bad when you get to
Yeah.
the table, you have to, the seat doesn't
Right.
work. You have to get off, but you can pull right next to the table and slide right in.
Right, so this doesn't have a swivel seat. No fold-up scooter really has it, or fold-down scooter. Now the ones that disassemble do. This one does. She doesn't even really need the swivel seat. So she came in. Now she has an older scooter too, and it's giving her some issues. Her son's telling me how he's ohming everything out. We think there's a break somewhere in the wire. So she was checking out the Revo or the Companion GC340 or the 240, maybe the Amiga RD. Just to get into her house and use it in her house because she doesn't want a power wheelchair with a joystick. So the Golden Eagle that she has can get through her door, but it's tight. This should fit in better. And I don't know why don't you use this inside? Just the turning and stuff?
I try to use my walker as much as possible.
Perfect. And we want you to do that, but she does want to have the option of having something to go in and out of her house, to get outside to her Eagle or to her car, and to get back inside the house. That's why she's looking for a 3-wheel unit, like the ones I just mentioned. But I did want to get her back on. She's an awesome lady. Her name's Sandra. Tell me something you absolutely don't like about this unit.
The seat don't swivel.
Well, we can't fix that. We got something coming that someone's gonna like. We're in the product. We're working on something. What else?
There's nothing else wrong with it. I love it.
How about the battery? Does it last okay for you?
Yeah, and it's easy to get in and out, and we take it out, don't leave the battery in the car, we keep it in the house, and when we know we're going out like today, we'll start charging it like last night, and then
perfect.
It's perfect.
Last thing, do you go through grass and stuff with this at all?
Just a little bit.
Does it do okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I don't sell this as a ultimate scooter for a yard. I do the Eagle that she has. This is more for traveling, easy load in and out, but it will go through grass and different terrains
it will.
decently.
Yeah.
For house.
But I usually use it mainly in town where you got nice roads and nice surfaces.
Perfect. If you like this scooter or you want to know more about it, carryonyusa.com or call us at 803-926-2224.